Okay, we've taken it down a lot in there. So what we want to do is check our eye, and we're pretty good there. We just need to open it up. Open this up in here some, so we have a little more of the white showing. But inside, we pretty much got that. You can see where we've taken it all down inside there. And we've taken this out in here for when we attach our spring that it's not going to catch. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I would appreciate that. So we're going to take a sanding disc here. We'll set our eye up here so we can make a mark where we want it to go. We don't want to open it up past that, otherwise we'll have to do something to keep the eye from falling out. So we'll use our sanding disc to open this up some. Now we'll check it. And we have more of the white showing, and that's what I wanted. So that's looking pretty good on that side. And that's not bad on that side either. So you can see when you set your eye in there, you don't want it to fall through. Then, because if that happens, then you got more of a problem of getting it to stay in there. So we got that pretty much where we want it. I think I'm going to just sand it smooth a little bit more. I want to round the outside here down a little bit more also. So I think we got our eyes, the holes, where we want them. So now we'll move on to the next step. So thanks for watching.